Hello students, let's do some more questions on trigonometry. If sin A plus 2 cos A equals to 1, we have to prove that the value of 2 sin A minus cos A is equals to 2. First, take the given term which is sin A plus 2 cos A is equals to 1. Squaring both sides, we have sin A plus 2 cos A whole square equals to 1 square. And what is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. We have sin A whole square which is equals to sin square A plus 2 cos A into 2 cos A, 4 cos square A plus 2 into sin A into 2 cos A, and which is equals to 1. Now 4 cos square A plus 2 into 2, 4 sin A cos A equals to 1. We will take this sin square A on the right hand side. Here we have 1 minus sin square A. And what is 1 minus sin square A? Our identity is sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. And 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So we will write 4 cos square A plus 4 sin A cos A equals to cos square A. Now we will bring cos square A back on the left hand side. 4 cos square A minus cos square A plus 4 sin A cos A equals to 0. Nothing is left on the right hand side. 4 cos square A minus 1 cos square A. We have 3 cos square A plus 4 sin A cos A equals to 0. Leave it here. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove the value of 2 sin A minus cos A, which must be 2. Let's take 2 sin A minus cos A. We have to find the value of this. Again, square the term. We have 2 sin A minus cos A whole square, which is A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Sin A into sin A, 4 sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 into 2 sin A into cos A. We have 4 sin A cos A. Now 4 sin square A plus cos square A. What is the value of 4 sin A cos A? We will find the value from here. 3 cos square A equals to minus 4 sin A cos A. Take it as first. From first, in place of minus 4 sin A cos A, what we can write? 3 cos square A. This is so 2 sin A minus cos A whole square is equals to 4 sin square A plus cos square A plus 3 cos square A, 4 cos square A, 2 times sin A minus cos A whole square is equals to 4 common sin square A plus cos square A. And what is sin square A plus cos square A? This is 1. So 2 times sin A minus cos A whole square is 4. We have to find the value of 2 sin A minus cos A, which is equals to root 4, and root 4 is 2. So this is our answer which we have to prove. Sin की पावर 8 थीटा minus cos की पावर 8 थीटा. Prove that this is equals to 1 minus 2 cos square theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. बच्चे, if we have a term a की पावर 8, we can write as a की पावर 2 and in the outside power is 4. This is a की power 2 into 4, 8. In the same way, we will write it as cos की power 4 theta inside and square outside. I have taken 4 inside and 2 outside, minus cos power 4 inside and 2 outside. If I write cos theta की power 4 or cos theta, both are the same things. We write a square की power 4 or a 4 inside and 2 outside. We will get the same result. Now, this is, if we take this term as a and this term as b, what is a whole square minus b whole square? This is a plus b, a minus b. So, what we can write? Sin की power 4 theta plus cos 4 theta into sin की पावर 4 थीटा माइनस कॉस की पावर 4 थीटा. We have sin की पावर 4 थीटा plus cos की पावर 4 थीटा. If we have a term a की पावर 4 plus b की पावर 4, if we have term like this, what is the value of a की पावर 4 plus b की पावर 4? We can write it as a square plus b square whole square minus 2 times a square b square. How? A square plus b square whole square is a की पावर 4 plus b की पावर 4 plus 2 times a square b square minus 2 times a square b square. Both terms get cancelled. What is left? A की पावर 4 plus b की पावर 4. In the same way, sin की पावर 4 theta plus cos की पावर 4 theta can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 times sin square theta into cos square theta. We have taken this term only. Now, here we have sin की power 4 theta minus cos की power 4 theta. We can write this term as sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. This is again a square minus b square. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. 1 square is again 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Put it in a bracket. Here we have, suppose a square minus b square. Again a plus b, a minus b. So we will write sin square theta plus cos square theta and sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and here we have sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now check what we have to prove. 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta we have got it. Here we need 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Now what we will do? Write this term as it is. Our answer must be in cos. What is sin square theta? If sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, then sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Here we write 1 minus cos square theta in place of sin square theta and minus cos square theta. So what do we get? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta, which is our right hand side. We have to prove that tan square a minus tan square b is equals to sin square a minus sin square b upon cos square a into cos square b, and this same term is also equal to cos square b minus cos square a upon cos square b into cos square a. Let's take first these two terms. Here left hand side is tan square a minus tan square b. What is tan? Sin a upon cos a. In place of tan square a, we can write sin square a upon cos square a, and tan square b is sin square b upon cos square b. Taking LCM, cos square a, cos square b. In the denominator we have cos square a. What is left? Cos square b. We will write sin square a into cos square b minus, in the numerator we have sin square b. In the denominator cos square b we have, what is left? Cos square a. We have simplified our left hand side. Now we should prove that this term of tan is equals to sin square a minus sin square b. Denominator is same, but we have to change these terms in the form of sin. Which identity we will use? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. You know it very well. Now we have to convert this whole term numerator in the form of sin. What we will do? Sin square a into cos square b can be written as 1 minus sin square b minus sin square b as it is. In place of cos square b we will write 1 minus cos square a, we will write 1 minus sin square a upon denominator as it is. What do we get? Sin square a multiplied with 1, then with sin square b we have sin square a minus sin square b minus sin square b. Sin square b into 1 is sin square b. We have a negative sign outside, the sign inside will change. Sin square b into sin square a upon cos square a cos square b. Sin square a, here we have to write sin square a into sin square b. This term is sin square a into sin square b, negative sign. Here we have sin square b into sin square a, positive sign. Both terms get cancelled. What is left with us? Sin square a minus sin square b upon cos square a into cos square b. We have proved this term in the form of sin. Now we have to prove the same term in the form of cos. What we will do? Take this step again. Now in place of sin we will change cos. We have sin square a. In place of sin square a we will write 1 minus cos square a into cos square b minus, again we will change sign. Sin square b is 1 minus cos square b into cos square a upon denominator we have cos square a into cos square b. Cos square b is multiplied with 1. We have cos square b minus cos square a cos square b minus cos square a into 1 cos square a plus cos square a cos square b upon cos square a cos square b. Cos square a cos square b, positive, negative, both get cancelled. What is left with us? Cos square b minus cos square a upon cos square a cos square b, which we have to prove. Find the values of constant a and b for which sin x cos x into 5 tan x plus 2 cot x is equals to a plus b sin square x. We have to find the value of a and b. Let's take left hand side, which is sin x cos x into 5 tan x plus 2 cot x. What is tan? Sin upon cos. We have sin x upon cos x plus 2 into what is cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. So cot x is cos x upon sin x. We are taking only left hand side. So sin x cos x What will be the LCM? Cos x into sin x. In the numerator we have sin x. Denominator we have cos x. What is left? Sin x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Plus 2 into sin x we already have cos x into cos x, cos square x. Sin x cos x in the denominator. Both terms get cancelled. Now, in our right hand side we have a term of sin only. So we have to change this cos with identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we will write 5 sin square x plus 2 in place of cos square x. What we will write? 1 minus sin square x, which is equals to a plus b sin square x. Now on solving these, we will find the value of a and b. What we will get? 5 sin square x plus 2 minus 2 sin square x. 5 sin square x minus 2 sin square x. 3 sin square x plus 2 is equals to a plus b sin square x. On equating the term of sin square x, b sin square x and 3 sin square x, what will be the value of b? 2. Equating a and constant, b is 3. And equating constant, what will be the value of a? A is 2 and the value of b is 3. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 into tan theta plus 1 plus sec theta equals to 2 sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. We will take left hand side. Our first term is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. If we rearrange these terms, we can write tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. Tan theta plus sec theta, if we take this as a and this as b, again this is a and this is b. What do we get? A minus b and a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A whole square minus b whole square. So what will we get? Tan theta plus sec theta whole square minus 1 square. And what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Tan square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 times tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Now, we have an identity 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. And what is sec square theta minus 1? Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. If we take this sec square theta minus 1, what will we get? Tan square theta. So we have tan square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta sec theta. Tan square theta plus tan square theta, 2 tan square theta plus 2 times tan theta sec theta. What is common? 2 tan theta is common. What is left? Tan theta plus sec theta. But our right hand side is in the form of sine. Let's change it. 2 into tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. In place of tan we will write sin theta upon cos theta plus sec is reciprocal of cos. So we will write 1 upon cos theta. So we have 2 into sin theta upon cos theta. Taking LCM cos theta. Here we get sin theta plus 1. Now, what will we get? 2 times sin theta. Here we have 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now बच्चे, what is cos square theta? You know very well. cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So we will write 2 sin theta 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Again 1 minus sin square theta can be written as 1 square minus sin square theta, a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write 1 plus sin theta upon, in place of 1 square minus sin square theta, we can write 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, both get cancelled. What is left with us? 2 sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta, which is our right hand side. If sec theta plus tan theta equals to p, we have to show that sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1 by p. Do we have any identity which contain both sec and tan? Yes. We have 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And what is sec square theta? If we take tan square theta on the right hand side, what is left with us? 1. You can write it on either side. So sec theta plus tan theta equals to p. If we write this identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. In the bracket you must write this identity. Examiner will be very pleased to see it. This is a whole square minus b whole square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. So we have sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Identity is a whole square minus b whole square is a plus b, a minus b. Now sec theta plus tan theta is given equals to p. P into sec theta minus tan theta. This is equals to 1. What we have to find? We have to find the value of sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta minus tan theta will be equals to, p is multiplied here. If we take it on the right hand side, it will be divided. So this is the value of sec theta minus tan theta which we have to prove. So we have proved our answer. If 2 sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta is equals to y, we have to show that 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is also y. Let's take this term. Here we have 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. I am writing as 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. I have only rearranged the terms upon 1 plus sin theta. The terms are in the form of sin and cos. We can't apply any identity. So what we will do? We will rationalize it. But in the denominator we have only 1 plus sin theta. We will rationalize it with numerator. Here if we take this term as 1 plus sin theta is a and this is b, we will rationalize it with 1 plus sin theta, sin change plus cos theta and 1 plus sin theta into plus cos theta. In the numerator we have 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta and 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. A minus b, a plus b. What will we get? A whole square minus b whole square. And in the denominator we have 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Now we will write 1 plus sin theta whole square, and in place of cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Again we have 1 plus sin theta whole square minus, what is 1 minus sin square theta? we can write it as 1 square minus sine square theta, which is a whole square minus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b. So we have 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta. So we have 1 plus sine theta whole square here, and here also we have 1 plus sine theta. What is common? 1 plus sine theta is common. What is left inside? 1 plus sine theta minus, this term we have taken as common. What is left? 1 minus sine theta, but we have a minus sign outside. So what we will write? Minus 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta. 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta both get cancelled. 1 and 1 also get cancelled. So we have 2 times sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta. 2 sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sine theta. This was given as y. We have taken the term, another one. So its answer is also y. So we have proved our